What's up guys, Holman here at Encore Automotive. We're about to do the oil change on the R8, our first oil change. Never done an oil change on this thing, so we'll be learning together. So pick up the car and drain the oil. It's got 5 drain plugs I believe on this, and we're about to find out where they're at. So we're under the car now. We got the plastics off. I don't want to bore you guys with the boring stuff. There's about 3 covers that we took off, 2 plastics, 1 aluminum shield. Got the covers over there, and we're about to remove the drain plugs. We got 5 drain plugs here on this one. We got our main one right here, and we got smaller ones that we have to remove and replace the gaskets along with it. We got the engine oil. We ended up going with the original, with the OEM Audi oil, OEM filter. We got the drain plug gaskets here. Let's go ahead and drain the oil off.